This warning has been issued by the civil authorities. An Amber Alert has been issued for the entire United States of America. Please listen carefully as it might save your child's life. Around an hour ago, multiple parents across the country have reported that their children have gone missing. There are over 50 children that have gone missing in the past hour. Some witnesses claim to have seen a massive or heard a steam locomotive in their neighborhood. Someone managed to recognize it. A witness has described it as the Pierre Marquette 1225 steam locomotive built in 1941. Other witness has claimed to have approached the locomotive and saw Polar Express written in a yellow text on its tender. Other witnesses have claimed to have experienced a mini earthquake, followed by a loud whistle. At first we were unsure if these were some kind of pranks until an officer on duty saw it leaving a neighborhood he was patrolling. Everything was captured on the officer's body camera. We advise all parents to keep your doors and windows locked and to always guard your children. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and do not panic.